Baby, come give me something. Oh. Baby, come.
Hey everyone, it's Michelle and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, like I just said, my name's Michelle. Welcome. I teach a lot of really cool SFX makeup tips on this channel. You'll be seeing a lot of different cool looks such as this and how to create it with things you might have at home, as well as some glam looks and product reviews sprinkled in here and there if you're a returning subscriber. As always, thank you so much for being my friend. Thank you so much for commenting down below. It means everything to me. I appreciate it so much that you are loving my content and that you watch me. I'm going to be showing you how I created this look. Without further ado, let's just get into this tutorial. Okay, so we're going to start with the James Charles palette. I'm going to start with this light purple in the crease. We're gonna go in with a smaller crease brush and go in with the darker purple right here, right into the actual crease. Now let's cut the crease. Try to fill in this blank space here with one of these glitters. I think that blue tone would look really cool. I might try this one right here. Not showing up as much as I'd like. We're gonna go in with a little of this purpley color over top. might be wondering how I created these Pokemon balls, I actually used a clear, empty Christmas bulb from the dollar store, cut it in half, and then I just painted each half with the design of the Pokemon ball. Super quick and easy. I just use acrylic paint. Just a little tip for you if you wanted to recreate this look. Okay, so this is my final look for my Pokemon challenge. I think it came out pretty cool. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel, lets me know that you're enjoying my videos. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. Why wouldn't you? Like I do these super cool looks. And until the next time, bye!